Hey travelers, welcome back to another video. Today, Mom, Aiden, and I are at Westwood Hills Nature Center. I'm wearing a hat. I normally don't wear hats because you can see why. I don't have a hat head. It's feeling kind of uncomfortable, but I also don't want the sun like on my face. I don't know how I feel about this. Oh, in the sun though, I like it. We came across a little fairy house.
Wow, that's nice.
Isn't that cute, Aiden? I try to have a fairy house at our front door, but Aiden keeps stealing the fairy's gardening tools. It looks like a nice little hot tub. Aiden, do you want to look at that?
Wow,
Sure enough, we found some more. Oh my gosh, it's a castle. That one's cute. Okay, this one's my favorite. It's kind of cute, unexpected, looking at the fairy houses. Alright, I'm over the hat, but that's what you get when you come here to this nature center. I forget what it's called, but Liz will have it linked because I don't remember. I just follow. I just drive her. I'm her taxi. And I go for the ride and the walk. But there's a lot of fairy houses that are all over this path. Oh, there's more. Liz is not gonna have them all on the video, so I'm not gonna even bother. But it's just a beautiful park and a beautiful day. If you guys do come here and want to see the little fairy garden, like the fairy houses, you go the wildflower trail, which is over there. But if you want to go the loop that goes around the lake, then you take the marsh trail, or a good idea is just go towards this building right here. Then also, we're going through the loop is when this concrete trail turns into a gravel trail. Woo! There's a fork in the road up here. You can go both ways. They lead to the same exact thing. Drinking break for the little baby. Oh, baby, I have to open it first. There. Aiden just plopped down. He's like, I need a break. So we're having a little break, but also a photo opportunity because he is so freaking cute. If you guys are curious and about the video from last year, I'll link it down below. It's not really a whole lot of difference from this year, besides this place being under construction and Aiden being smaller than he is in this video. Now we are having our official snack and drink break and toy break.
Oh.
as most of you guys know by now, mushrooms and flowers are my favorite things besides waterfalls to take pictures of. Oh wow, this is dry. Took a picture of here last year. It's all swampy with water and with the buildings. I was hoping to get that again this year, but that is it for Westwood Hills Nature Center. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a fun, nice walk.
It was nice, it's just warm.
Alright, so thanks guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.